So here we have the Ford Ranger on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a four-door car with those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the cargo area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of it, you can see, as you may well expect, there's plenty of storage. You may have noticed the tow bar as well. The roll top here will of course open to give you even more space and flexibility again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of it and then hop in and run through just a few of the controls, as I mentioned, on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. In the dead centre, first of all, we've got the speedometer. Below the speedometer, you can see what gear the vehicle is in. It's an automatic, so of course we're in park at the moment. Over on the right-hand side, we have the rev counter, the total miles for the vehicle, which are 29,628, and the fuel gauge. On the left-hand side, we have the ability to access any of these menus that you can see just here. So, for example, you can have your sat-nav up there should you wish to. Similarly, your entertainment or phone menu once you paired your phone, of course. And the buttons I was using to do that are over here. So these buttons will control what happens on the left-hand side. These will change the trip computer information on the right-hand side. We've also got our stereo controls, cruise control and speed limiter as well. And then over into the center, the main touch screen for the vehicle where you can access your satellite navigation. A really nice clear color display. It's a very easy system to use. Back out to the home screen from here, we've got our audio menu, AM, FM and DAB radios, you can see, a CD player, Bluetooth audio. We've also got two separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into those, they will appear up here as further options for you. Back out to the home screen, you can pair your phone by hitting pair phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then following the instructions on screen from there. And again, back to our audio menu, home screen, and then you've got a few other options along the bottom, for example, mobile apps and settings. We can also turn on our heated driver and passenger seat, both of which have 3 separate heat settings each. And on top of all of that, we have a full color reversing camera as well. Physical controls below that for the volume for the stereo. We have our CD player, and then we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the driver and passenger temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. Every adjustment you make will show as you make it. So driver temperature, passenger temperature, for example. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the minute. That's off, back on again, or hit auto. The vehicle will then take full control, which you can hear it doing. You can override that whenever you wish to. It's taking full control to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. We have a heated rear screen, heated front screen, and then physical controls for the heated driver and passenger seat as well. 2 12-volt charging sockets, 2 USB inputs, which I mentioned a moment ago. We can turn our parking sensors on and off, traction control on and off, downhill brake control on and off, and you can set the vehicle into 4-wheel drive. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.